Hi, welcome or welcome back to CENGAGE Academy, and we are going to do a problem from CENGAGE for JEE Mains Edition 3, and this is from complex numbers, question number 69. And as you can see here, we have x equals something, y equals something, and z equals something, and alpha and beta are the complex cube roots of unity. So just like in the sum that we discussed before, the complex cube roots of unity are omega and omega square. So the equation just becomes x equals a plus b, y equals a omega plus b omega square, and z is equal to a omega square plus b omega, right? And now we have to find xyz, which is this multiplication of x, y, and z. So you'll have a plus b into a omega plus b omega square and a omega squared plus b omega. So now when you do binomial multiplication here, so you just have to multiply every term with the other term. So a omega into a omega squared will give you a omega cube plus ab omega square plus ab omega power 4 plus b squared omega cube. And now I know two things. One, I know omega cube is equal to 1, and then 1 plus omega squared is equal to 0. Do you also know that? Okay, if you do, then you can give a thumbs up in the comment section. So now you have a plus b into omega cube is 1, so this should be a squared. I'm sorry for that because it's a into a here. So now it's just a squared because omega cube is 1, and now if I take out ab, I'll have omega squared, and omega power 4 can just be written as, yes, omega, because it's omega cube into omega. Omega cube is 1, so it's just omega, and this is just b square. And what is omega square plus omega? Omega squared plus omega will give me minus 1, which is equal to a plus b. So if this is minus 1, you will have minus ab plus b square, and this is of the form a cube plus b cube, which is the answer. And you will see that during the next problem, which is problem number 70, you will pretty much be using this again. So if you're going to go on to the next problem, make sure to skip this part, and then you can continue on from there. Or even so, you can try doing the next problem just with this as a guide. All right, so if you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section, and if you have suggestions too, I'm looking forward to it. So until next time, bye bye.